Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to sell presets on your website in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official squarespace.com website right here if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. You can get started with logging into your account, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here, under which you'll be able to find all the websites you have. So what I'm going to do is open up my website where I want to sell presets. So this is my website right here. I'm going to open it up by clicking the website button. That's going to open it up in this new page where right now I can get started with looking at the left side screen where I can find all the sections I can access, such as sites, pages, products, services, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started selling presets. Basically, guys, what we want to do first is go ahead and open up the pages section right here under website. So click on pages, and after opening your pages, guys, this is not going to open up your pages section where you can take a look at all the pages you have. And if you do not have a store like I do have right here, I have already added my store. What you want to do is click the main navigation option right here and click the plus button. After clicking the plus button, this is now going to open up this new menu where you can find all the options you can access. And one of the options is going to be under collections called store. And this is what you want to do. So click on store, and after clicking on store, guys, it's going to successfully add it as a page, and now you have your own digital store. So what we're going to do is click on store right here. That's going to open it up, and now as you can see, we can get started with editing our store. So here I have my products, and basically guys, if you want to sell your presets as digital products, what you can do is click the plus button right here. After clicking the plus button, it's going to enable you to take a look at what you want to sell. What you want to do is sell either service or something like that, and then you can go ahead and get started with connecting your presets that you want to sell, and then you'll be able to sell them, set your own price, info, and so on. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.